Good morning. I'm overlooking San Jose, California, up in the mountains on a beautiful spring morning. Thought I wanted to talk today about a little bit about spaghetti code. Spaghetti code is something that's used to describe old systems quite often. Systems that have grown over, maybe been implemented and used now for decades, maintained in various ways. Sometimes the code originally might have been very well structured, and over time it tends to degrade and becomes difficult to maintain. I think the term, though, at times is used, it certainly is always used pejoratively. No one wants to write spaghetti code. But I think it's misapplied to many types of systems that exist in the world today. Because spaghetti code isn't orderly, isn't something that functions in an orderly manner. And quite often the systems that we're talking about, those systems function in an orderly manner over a very long period of time, over decades in fact. So how would you explain spaghetti code as operating in an orderly manner? I think the problem with this concept is that any code looked at, if someone doesn't understand the processing principles behind the code, it could easily appear to someone as spaghetti code. If you understand the processing principles behind the written code, there can be great order in the code. So that's one of the things that I think is key to understanding so many of our legacy systems worlds, is that the principles behind the code have been forgotten. And those principles are very old, and I think we'll talk about those in a few episodes here. The principles really are what predates fourth generation languages. The principles really are tabulating systems. And if you understand the principles behind tabulating systems, then it doesn't look like spaghetti code. It looks like a well-ordered system that functions effectively for decades.